You're welcome.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, Shelby.
Come on, Daddy. Let's follow me.
It's just a little bit harder going up the hill. Look at where you're going. See, that's why I tell you, you got to look straight. Alright, y'all, I'm about to put y'all on pause, help my baby get back up the hill. Don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Look, first of all, you're not on the you're getting on the grass. Look at where you're going. Look straight. Put the foot on the gas. Turn that wheel and look straight. Straight. Straight is not to the side. Straight. Look straight, because look where your wheel at, baby. It's on the grass. Turn the wheel, look straight. Keep going.
Oh, shit.
Alright, baby, put that back west and let's drive. It's time to take it in and charge the battery up again.
Huh?
Drive. Let's drive down the driveway.
Can you help me?
It's going. Stay on the gas. It's going. If you start doing that, it might go, Shelby. See how it's going? If you just keep it straight. Stay out the grass. Keep going. It's going. It's going. Stay on the grass. Stay on the gas. Put your foot on the gas. Your foot on the gas? Okay. Stay on the gas. Stay on the gas, see? Look at you. Turn. Go down the driveway. And be careful. Say. That doggone piece of paper from Kisser.